Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. My name is Satyam Kumar from Sasaram, Rohtas, Bihar, and currently studying in Narayana Institute of Pharmacy, and I am here to present a presentation, and my topic is power of media. We all know that our country is a democratic country, and democratic country have a four pillar. Firstly judiciary, secondly executive, thirdly legislature, fourthly media. And the media is the fourth pillar of our democratic country. So, before I start our topic, we know about the history of media. Uh, in the 16th and 17th century, there was nothing related to the media. So, do you know when invented print media? 1619 is the answer. And do you know when television was invented? 1927. Before invention of television, print media is dominated and very powerful and very popular. So print media is very popular and important and play a very important role in our society. Now we start the topic. My topic is types of media. Firstly, advertising media. Secondly, one broadcasting media. Third one is digital media. Fourth one is electronic media. Fifth one is mass media. Sixth one is multimedia. Seventh one is news media. And eighth one is publishing media. Ninth one is recording media. Not least social media. Firstly, we describe the broadcasting media. The term broadcasting media means to cover a wide spectrum of different communication methods. Secondly, the digital media. Digital media is any form of media that uses electronic devices. Examples: audio, video, text, etc. Third one is electronic media. Electronic media means media that uses electricity. Example: television, DVD, radio, internet, etc. Fourth one is mass media. It means a communication that reaches a large number of people in a short time. Example: television, newspaper, magazines, and radio. And fifth one is news media. It is a medium where reporter report a story or a information or a details related to the weather. Sixth one is publishing media. Publishing media is the activity of marketing information, literature, music, software, etc. And the seventh one is recording media. Recording media is related to the seventh one is recording media. A recording media referred to any physical audio recording medium such as memory card, tape, etc. The eighth one is social media. Social media means the media which is used as a entertainment and happiness. We found as a funny videos, movies, etc. Now my next topic is positive impact of media. People come to know about the latest happiness. People find the happiness on YouTube and Facebook to entertaining on. Next point is bring awareness among mass people. Next point is educate about health, food, employment, agriculture, technology, and modernization. The next point, voice of common people reflects and surfaces. Next point, mirror of society. Media is a mirror of society. And the next point is hub of information. Next point is connects people of all over the world. And my next topic, advantages of media. First point, help in getting awareness about the world. Second point, help in bringing the world together. It also helps with the help of Facebook and Twitter, Instagram to connect the world better. Cheap way of communication. It is very cheap to use internet in these days. People know what is wrong and right. Help in research and analysis. My next point is entertain people. With the help of YouTube and Facebook, we entertain ourselves. My last point is advertisement has been made very easy. My next topic is the misuses of media. First one, the negative propaganda result in violence, crime, and murder, etc. Second and last point is wrong information may cause to hazardous to some people. Okay. And my next topic is fact and responsibilities. The fact means we all know that 8 billions of peoples live on the earth. Many of other people's we all uses mobiles, laptops and tabs, etc. Some facts about the people's monthly active users. Facebook have a 2,895 millions per month people's uses Facebook. YouTube have a 2,291 millions of people's uses a monthly. WhatsApp have a 2,000 millions people's. Telegram have a 550 millions of people's. Twitter have a 363 millions of peoples. And the responsibilities of media. Firstly, delivering news to the public in true, fair manner, inform about what is going on around the world. Third one is delivering information to a large number of peoples. Fourth one is social responsibility of the news media is to report true stories and true event. Last but not the least, to stand up public opinion. Thank you, all of you.